Welcome back TF Designs. Today we are looking at designing a modern hall involves balancing aesthetics with functionality to create a welcoming and stylish space. Here are some tips to help you achieve a modern hall design. 1. Minimalist approach. Clean lines. Focus on simple, clean lines and avoid excessive ornamentation. Neutral colors. Use a neutral color palette with shades of white, grey and beige. You can add pops of color with accessories or artwork. 2. Lighting. Natural light. Maximize the use of natural light with large windows and glass doors. Statement lighting. Incorporate modern lighting fixtures such as pendant lights, chandeliers or recessed lighting to create a focal point. 3. Furniture. Functional furniture. Choose sleek, functional furniture with minimalist designs. Consider multi-purpose pieces to save space. Comfortable seating. Provide comfortable seating options like modern sofas, lounge chairs and benches. 4. Flooring. Hardwood or tile. Opt for hardwood or large format tiles for a sleek, modern look. Consider underfloor heating for added comfort. Area rugs. Use area rugs to define spaces and add texture. 5. Wall treatments. Accent walls. Create an accent wall with bold colours, textured wallpaper or unique materials like wood or stone. Art and mirrors. Hang modern artwork or large mirrors to enhance the space and add visual interest. 6. Storage solutions. Built-in storage. Incorporate built-in shelves, cabinets and hidden storage to keep the space clutter-free. Open shelving. Use open shelving to display decorative items and keep essentials within easy reach. 7. Decorative elements. Greenery. Add indoor plants to bring a touch of nature and freshness to the space. Modern decor. Use modern decorative elements such as sculptures, vases and abstract art pieces to complement the design. 8. Technology integration. Smart home. Features. Integrate smart home technology for lighting, climate control and security to enhance convenience and functionality. 9. Textiles. High quality textiles. Use high quality textiles for curtains, cushions and throws to add comfort and luxury. Simple patterns. Stick to simple geometric patterns that complement the modern aesthetic. 10. Personal touches. Customization. Personalize the space with items that reflect your style and personality, ensuring the hall feels welcoming and unique. By focusing on these elements, you can create a modern hall that is both stylish and functional.